I given permission to all of you. Siddharth, Sahil, Ganesh. Join them.
Sir.
A to B to C. This is C to D. And D to E. Finish. Same figure we copied, Amma. We not applied any logic. Copy this figure. But so many times student will copy this first figure. No. You have to copy this figure only. Copy this figure. I'm telling repeatedly. Success rate will fail if you copy this. We won't evaluate this part. We asked you to copy this. After this sixth figure, our contribution is 0, ma. Take this A. If you are intelligent, where is A? A is here. Where is E? That you have to remember. E. Where is B? B is up to here. Where is D? D is at top. These lines, if you have awareness, you can extend up to here. See. Next, AB already lying down XY line. C line, extend. D line, extend. Mark them. This is A dash. This is B dash. C. I'm A dash, B dash. C. This is C dash. D. This is D dash. E. This is E dash. Amma. Join them in sequence. A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to A. Finish. Whatever it may be shape, don't bother about shape because it is tilted 2 times. Once 60 degree with HP and next 45 degree with respect to edge. This is the shape of the object. At last we are getting. This is third stage. If you do this, you will get the marks. Whether on that day I explained about marks distribution, I'm talking to you people. Whether yes, I discuss marks, 1 marks, 2 marks, how it will be distributed, third stage, first stage, weightage. Chapana leda?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. You note down first. Simple, Amma. Problem, sir. Very
sir,
simple.
once explain fifth one, sir.
Fifth one. Nothing, Amma. Fifth one, 5 angle. As I told, fifth, I taken 5. What is the condition? First angle is known, I put angle. Then condition, the edge on which it rests. What is the edge? This AB or this AB, everything is same. AB, I taken AB. On 45 degree. I will read. The edge on which it rests makes an angle of 45 degree. The edge on which it rests, AB is the edge on which it rests makes an angle of 45 degree. It satisfied my statement as per the given condition. After that, what he told, reproduce this figure, copy this figure, reconstruct this figure, any word, everything same, Amma. So I will construct. How to construct? I have 2 points. I can use arc method. Take A to C, A to E, this length. A to E and B to C is same always, Amma. It is a mirror image. A to E, B to C. Draw 1 arc. Okay. Reverse. A to C, B to E. Take same length. A to E, C, B to E. A to C, cut. B to E, cut. I got 2 points. Intersection of arcs. Then there is, once I know CE, you measure ED or CD. ED, CD, draw arc. You will get R. AD, BD. There are 2 possibilities to get D. One is this. Once you evaluated this, you can take, or you can take A to B. I taken A to B, joined. Joined in sequence. Figure is ready. Projected them. Projected these points. Intersection of these 2 points is a 6th figure. Practice chest. Any figure you can draw. You can remove this pentagon, make it hexagon. It is a hexagon problem. That's why I told. You see first figure and this first is a triangle. And here I taken pentagon. Everywhere I am constructing pentagon only. Object shape is important. Once you finish, let me know. I want to tell marks distribution. That is important, Amma. But you have to draw figures now onwards like this only. You cannot draw horizontally. Girls, understand అయిపోతుందా? If you want to note down, this is a second variety. Jagratam, variety. Object is not important. Variety is important. Finished?
No, sir.
Neatly figure draw చేయాలి. Neatness, you see everywhere. I wrote name, I wrote night dimension, front view representation, top view representation. It will play very vital role. And in your notebook also, and idu okati page dagara, idu okati, that you won't get amma. This connectivity is this connectivity is this. Idu projection ravalamma. And don't take it far away. Whenever we will draw long lines, it will get inclined. It is a nature rule. Right? Jagratam. Try to make it as compact, but make it some sufficient distance. Finished? Who is having second period, Amma? Who is having second period?
Durga Bhavani ma'am, sir.
Madam ki one message petandi. I will take 5 minutes extra. Okay. If madam asked, tell me that Kulkarni sir asked sorry for that. Because I want to solve one more thing. If you finished, still I have 10 minutes. Because again I have 2 periods on Monday. I want to make you perfect all variety problem. Only 2 major variety, amma. First variety, second variety. Already in first variety I solved 2 problems. Now you know, instead of pentagon you make it hexagon. Instead of already triangle, pentagon I finished. One square left, one this left. Which one? Hexagon left. Circle is always median problem. That's why I want to tell, don't apply circle. Circle is a median problem. It comes under variety 2. It will come, but you have to take diameter. Anta complex, they won't give. Finished.
Okay.
Take next problem. A circular lamina of 50 mm diameter, a circular lamina of 50 mm diameter, a circular lamina of 50 mm diameter, rest on HP, a circular lamina 50 mm diameter, a circular lamina 50 mm diameter, rest on HP, such that one of its diameter is inclined at 30 degree to VP and 45 degree to HP. One of its diameter is inclined at 30 degree to VP and 45 degree to HP. 30 degree to VP and 45 degree to HP. Full stop. Draw its projection. Full stop. Draw its projection. Noted down. Noted down.
Yes, sir.
Jagratam. Listen. This is where it is placed, how it is placed. Where it is placed, how it is placed. HP, very good. It is placed on HP. How it is placed? There is no question. Agree? Why? Why?
Because it has no sides.
No sides, no corner. As you want to wish, circle start with. Draw this circle. This circle koncham dark cheyalama because circle is the object. Because in my compass I used a 2H pencil. 2H pencil always give light marks. If you want to keep HB pencil, you can keep whenever circle is the object. Right. In one of the problem, I divided into 8 parts. Whenever you see circle, you have to divide that into what you have to divide? Into
8 parts.
Equal parts.
12 parts you divide change. This problem I want to divide 12. 30, 60, 60, 30. Why I want to divide? I want to tell. Which variety problem am I? It is which variety problem? Which variety?
Second.
Second variety. Two angles are given in continuous statement. Chustunara. In second variety, I am solving second problem. So, and I will use numbering system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. This is 12. Project them. You all are very intelligent student. Can you tell me how many diameters I drawn? How many diameters I drawn? How
6.
many diameters? Chapanamma. How many diameters? How many diameters?
6, sir.
Sure. He is cleverly told. 1,7 is a diameter, 12,6 is a diameter, 2,8 is a diameter, 3,9 is a diameter, 4,10 is a diameter, 5,11 is a diameter. Agree? Agree?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
no? I taken 1,7 because 1,7 is horizontally placed. See why I taken 12 parts. Sir, how to write here? You see that this is 1 dash. 2 is not visible. I am observing from here. 2 dash and right above that 12 dash. One line dagrane rayandi. 3 dash. 11 dash. 4 dash. 10 dash. ఇది హారిజంటల్ రాస్తే ఏమైపోతుందమ్మా ఈ పాయింట్ దగ్గర కనపడుతుంది. రైటింగ్ ఇస్ ద స్కిల్ అమ్మా. 5 dash 9 dash. I am writing vertically. 6 dash 8 dash. జాగ్రత్త చూసుకోండి. 7 dash. All looking. It is a way of writing amma. Nothing. These two are lying. One is inside the bracket and this is the way you have to understand. What is the angle given amma? Please chapandi. Theta how much? Theta how much? I forgotten. I don't have that question. Theta.
45. 45.
Theta 45. First you have to take 45. Take 45. Already I told rules. Still I have 2 minutes time. It will take another 2-3 minutes. If you want to note down. Otherwise, after in next class, I will allow you to note down. I want to tell here something. 1 dash is fixed. See carefully here. 1 dash to 7 dash. Take. Cut. 7 dash. 1 dash to 6 dash. 6 dash. 1 dash to 5 dash. 5 dash. 1 dash to 4 dash. 4 dash. 1 dash to 2 dash. This is 2 dash. See, 1 dash to 2 dash you cannot measure because the compass cannot support. Measure its value. How much? 4 mm. Measure 4. Mark this point. This is, see, name it. This is 2 dash, 12 dash, 3 dash, 11 dash, 4 dash, 10 dash, 5 dash, 9 dash, 6 dash, 8 dash, and this is 7 dash. Naming should be written in a very systematic way. Dark this line. Project perpendicular lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you divide 12, there are 7 lines compulsory. Draw the parallel lines. 10. One 7. 1,7 is a median number. 1,7 diameter is a true median. Agree? Agree? This 1,7 is a true median. Now, how I will name? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It will come by practice. Join them in sequence. It should be ellipse. It should be very decent ellipse. See, this is the ellipse. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No. Next. What is the given angle? Theta over phi. 5 you cannot take directly. You have to draw one locus line. Why? I will tell. What is the relation between this locus line, Amma? What is the relation?
Parallel.
Parallel. Anything parallel, if it is 30, it is also 30. Agree? Yeah? Agree? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
The relation, locus is called. Phi is equal to 30 degree. Now you see. 17 is a true median. 17A is the apparent median. Jagratam. 17A, I changed its name. 17 is true median. What you have to take? First take 17. 1 is fixed, 7 is variable. 1 is fixed, 7 is variable. This is 1. This is 7. Draw the locus line. This is locus of 7. Measure apparent length 17A. 1 is already fixed. Cut nearest to that. This is your 7A. Join it. If it is 5, here only, it is beta. It is beta. Jagrata mama. First problem I taken in theta format. Here I am taken in beta format. See, this is beta. Now, I know 17A. I have to copy. Idu Jagrata mama. This I want to tell. That's why I taken more number of points. How to take? Listen carefully. 1 to 12. 1 to 2. 1 to 12. 1 to 2. Both sides you have to draw arc. Right. Next. Reverse. 7 to 12. 7A to 12. 7A to 2. 7A to 12. 7A to 2. Reverse summa. Next. 1 to 11. 1 to 3. This is 1 to 11. 1 to 3. 7A to 11. Same target. 7A to 3. 7A to 11. This point here, see, it is not cutting. Then you have to cut like this. This point. Next. 7 to 10. 7 to 4. 1 to 4, 1 to 10. 1 to 10. 1 to 7. 7A to 10. Same. 7A to 4. Measure change. Same until na chapte. Don't believe in me. This is the point. 1 to 9. 1 to 6. 1 to 9. 1 to 6. 7A to 9. Jagratam Chali. 5. 7A2. This point. This point. 1 to 8. 1 to 6. Is circle problem vacheste, it will take more time. But don't get panic. 7 to 8. Arc method, you know how to draw? That
Sir,
arc
we can
method.
draw in 8 parts.
Ah, yes, we can draw, Amma. I want to tell something. That's why I draw, Amma. Okay. Now, 1, 2. You keep message to madam. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Tell madam another 2-3 minutes. I will take my say 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7, 8, 12, 9, 8. This is elliptical nature, Amma. Same ellipse we have to draw here. Then project them. 1 is here only. 2 is above. Jagratam chuskondi. 3, it will come neck to neck. Don't get panic. 3. 4, sometimes it overlaps. 4. 5, this is 5. 6, this is 6. 7, this is 7. 8, this is 8. 9, this is 9. Whatever it may be point. 10, this is 10. 11, this is 11. 12, this is 12. See, all are parallel. Then start. 2, this line. 3, this line. 4, this line. 5, this line. 6, this line. 7, this line. Now you see 1, this is 1 dash. Jagratam. 2, sorry, 1 ekkada undamma, ikkada undamma. Idu 1 dash. 2, this is 2 dash. Jagratam. 3, this is 3 dash. Ikkada chuskoవాలి. 3 dash. 4, this is 4 dash. 5, this is 5 dash. 6, it is 6 dash. 7, it is 7 dash. I will shift this. 8, this is 8 dash. 9, this is 9 dash. 10, this is 10 dash. 11, this is 11 dash. 12, it is 12 dash, Amma. If you join 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1. What is the shape you will get, Amma? What is the shape? It almost all amoeba winner. Amoeba.
Sir.
This typical shape, Amma, because once ellipse is tilted, its shape will become irregular. This is logic. I will take attendance and I will wind up. When we will join next class, I will allow you to note down. Okay, wait. Say sorry to Madam Amma, right? Shall I wind up? Thank you. This problem I will allow you to note down in next class. Right, bye.